Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today, I'll explain how to split, separate, and join mesh. Let's begin! Let's start! First, let's start splitting the mesh. Select the face on which you want to split the mesh. Click the mesh button, then click Selection from Split. The selected face can be divided and moved in this way. If you switch to the object mode, you can see that the divided face is also the same object as the original object. The outliner display is also displayed as a single object. Next, I'll explain how to separate objects. In the same way, select the faces where you want to separate. Click the Mesh button, and then click Selection from Separate. The separated faces are displayed with a red frame, like this. And you can see that they are displayed as different objects by looking at the outliner. Next, let's join the separated objects. In Object Mode, hold down Shift key on your keyboard and select the two separate objects. Select Join from the Object button. In this way, the objects have been joined into one object. If you look at the outliner, you can see that there is only one object. Next, I'll explain the Rep region that cuts through the vertices. Select the Rep region tool on the toolbar and switch to Vertex Select. You can tear an object by selecting a vertex and dragging it with the mouse like this. Next, I'll explain how to merge meshes. First, prepare such a subdivided object in edit mode, like this. Click Vertex Select with the Box Select tool and select the vertices. Click the Mesh button and select Merge at Center. You can merge the selected vertices in this way. Next, I'll explain how to connect two vertices. Prepare such an object and use the Box Select tool to select two vertices while holding down Shift on your keyboard. From the Vertex button, select Connect Vertex Path. You can connect the two vertices selected in this way. Next, I'll explain how to connect the edges with a bridge. First, prepare a cylindrical object like this and set the number of vertices to 20. Add a mesh to the center of the object with the Loop Cut tool. Switch to Face Select with the Box Select tool and select the top face. You can expand the selection by pressing Ctrl plus the plus key on the numpad, so you can select the objects in this way. You can split the selection by clicking Split Selection from the Mesh button. Move the object divided by the Move tool in this way along the Z-axis. Switch the viewpoint to the front viewpoint by pressing 1 on the numpad. After switching to the edge, select and choose Box Select tools. Drag with the mouse in this way to select the divided edges. However, in this state, only one side can be selected. So, press Ctrl plus Shift plus M and select the other side with Mirror Selection. Click the Edge button and select Bridge Edge Loops. In this way, I was able to connect to the sides with a bridge. You can transform the object in this way by changing the number of cuts and changing the profile factor. We can also choose the shape to transform into linear, sharp, smooth, and the profile shape. This is the end of the lecture on how to split, separate, and join mesh. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye.